Hello everyone, my name is Ron, and I'm going to be beating my face today, going from this to that. So let's get started. First, I'm adding some primer that will basically make the foundation easier to put on. I used a NYX Honey Melon foundation primer, and it worked great. Next for those brows, man, I had some long ones there. And you can see my poor job of trying to cover up my acne. Alright, here comes the part where I am priming my eyebrows for that eyeshadow. I'm doing a smoky look today I found online. I figured, hey, I don't know how to use eyeliner, this would be a good way to cover it up. Alright, here comes the eyeliner. Yeah, that's a lot of fun. I used this cool technique using tape that ran up the sides of my eye that gave me the wings that I've gotten. Next I'll be doing my bake, which is basically applying translucent powder on top of the makeup to help set it in place and give it just a fierce look. Now I'm applying lipstick. It's provided by Numi Cosmetics. This shade is called Mistress. It is very vibrant and it does not transfer at all. Glitter, glitter everywhere.
Yeah, I don't think so.